Hello my friends, my name is Ashkan, and in today's tutorial we are going to learn how to add detail and material text to our pipe spec in Paragon PDMS. In our previous tutorial we learned how to create a pipe spec in Paragon, which was the first step of bringing the PMS document into the PDMS software. As the second step, we need to learn how to add technical descriptions and details into the created pipe spec. First, we need to add two separate sections for detail and material text where we created pipe spec. To do this, stand on your created kata, click on Create, Catalogue, give it a name and then OK. Then create the first section for your detailed descriptions and create another section, this time for your material descriptions. Stand on the section which you created for the material text and click on Create, Material Text, and give the software the exact material specifications you see in your PMS document. The upper box is as a title in your Explorer section, and the bottom one is the text that is shown in the isometric drawing or the extracted material takeoff. Now stand on the section which was created for the detail text. Then click on Create, Detail Text, and same as the previous section, the upper box is just as a heading in the tree structure and the bottom section is your for ISO draft. We usually have to specify our component symbol out of the list on the left. This is for the software to recognize our selected component and set its geometry during the design. There isn't any symbol for pipe or tube, but we must select our symbol for another component such as flange, fitting, valve, and etc. OK, to finish it, press Apply and Dismiss. Well, up to this section, we have added the detail text and material text of our component into the Paragon catalog. But as you probably guessed right, the next step is to assign each description to our pipe spec. Then, the software will show those specifications when we create an isometric drawing. Before doing the last part, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you, my friends. OK. In the specification window, select your heading or component. Then select the rows you want to add the written description to them. Press Edit References, stand on the detail text you created and the tree structure, and then press CE. For adding the material text, do the same steps. Have the rows highlighted in above section of the window, stand on the material text on the left, and then click on the CE and the material text row. By pressing Apply, all the detail and material texts are added to our pipe spec. Now for getting more familiar with the steps, let's do this once again, but this time for flanges. So firstly we have to create detail text and material text below each allocated section, stand on the material text section and create a material text for your flanges. Then stand on the detail text section and create a detail text for your flanges. Don't forget to select the generic type for your components. Now open the flange heading, select your rows and make them blue. Then assign the details for detail text and materials for material text. By pressing the Apply button, the data will be transferred. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you everyone and bye bye.